Hi everyone. Today we have discussed about IP addressing and IP addresses. As my previous class said, we have connected to IP address through router. Now we have to connect it. As to what is an IP address? Address. IP address is a logical address given by what is the definition of IP address? IP address is a logical address to identify the device on network. We can see in any device which is connected through internet, we got an IP address. Let me see in the in my system. In the command mode, I type ipconfig. My system is connected through Wi-Fi, and I got a Wi-Fi address IPv4. This is my IP address. This is my IPv4 address. I got on subnet mask. This is first we discussed about IP addressing. Okay, IP address is there are two versions in IP address. Okay, one is IPv4, IPv6. IPv4 is a 4 octet, and coming from IPv6 16 octet. Okay, now in this video we are discussing about IPv4 version completely. There is a 4 octet. Let me see my IP address 192.168.29.136. This IP address given by system through internet. Not IP address. This is my IP address given by the server through internet. What then coming how it will be given by IP address. That's right. This is my computer, and my computer connected to local router. Whenever I connected to my computer to router, how what will be the process? When we open the computer, there will be a Wi-Fi box. Inside Wi-Fi, well connected. Let me see in it. I have connected my Wi-Fi. If I is connected, I am disconnected to the Wi-Fi, then I did not get any iPad. Check. Now I didn't got any iPad. See, Here previously I got IP address, but now I did not get any IP address because I disconnected through the internet. Okay, whenever we are connected to Wi-Fi, that's only give Wi-Fi or any network and mobile network, yeah, hotspots. Then only it gives the IP address. IP address means it is a logical address to identify the network, to identify the device on network. Okay, whenever we connected through the Wi-Fi, the router, whatever in the inside the home router, it will give the IP address of your system. IP address changes every time when we connect the Wi-Fi. When we connect through a hotspot, it will be a different IP address. Suppose when we go to your friend's house, there will be a Wi-Fi. Then you click on this icon. You click on this, so your Wi-Fi's list are here. Then you will connect the Wi-Fi of your friend's home. Then you will got a different Wi-Fi address. Okay, this is IP address. There will be a 4 octet of IP addresses. That is each octet consists of 8 bits. 8 bits, not 8 or 8 or. You know, bit, bits. Each octet consists of bits, 8 bits. Okay. Now each octet will be the range of 0 to 255. Each octet range. I will tell you how it will works. How the IP range. For suppose my IP range is 192.168.29.126. This is my IP address. Now coming to IP, there will be IP classes. There are 5 classes totally. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, Class E. I will tell you all the classes. Class A ranges from 0 to 126. Class B ranges from 1 0 to 2. Sorry guys. Oh, So range is 191, 192, 193, 14, 13, plus 2 ranges from 12.8 to 55. This is the classes of IP addressing. Now class D is multicast purpose. And class E reserved for engineering purposes, and there will be a private IPs. This is the classes of IP addresses. Now we have discussed about private addresses range. Private addresses range is 10.0.0, 10.55.55 for class A private address, and the class B private address is 72.16.0.0. This is 172.31.255.255. The range. And the class C range is 192.168.0.0, 92.168.0.0. And this is the default subnet mask is 8, and this for class B for subnet default subnet mask is 2, for class D for 16. We'll discuss in later about subnet mask. These are the private address ranges. Why we use only private addresses? Because see, my IP address is 192.168.29.168. This is the private IP addresses. Private addresses are only used in the local area network. Okay. Private addresses are only used inside the home router. Suppose when we connect the in your friend's home, we have only the this range IP addresses. Only got this range. Okay. And private addresses are only used in LAN network. LAN connections. In the first class we discussed about LAN connection. It is a connection between in the small network. In our home network, we have connected the inside the home. There will be all devices connected the inside the home. This is all LAN connection. The router, outside of the router, we have this. It is a WAN connection through internet. That will be a only users in the public IP addresses. connection. Outside the router will be connected only public IPs, because for the security reasons we use only private addresses in the LAN network. There will be a private data will be there, so that's why we use only private addresses in the inside the home router LAN connections. Now coming to the conversion of IP addresses. And previously tell will be each dot will be one octet. Now coming to, I will take my IP address only 194.168.29.136. Okay, I will take my IP address 194.168.29.136. This is my IP address. On each octet will be a 8 bits. Now we have a thumb rule. When 128 64 32 16 8 4 2 1. This is a thumb rule. Thumb rule. Now each octet will be one. I will take one. My IP address 193.136. Each octet have 8 bits. This is the each octet. One. This will becomes to, now coming to 1 3 1. That is equal to, when I convert into binary, it will be 255. Now add the, we can add 128 64 32 16 8 4 2 1. We add in the calculator. Well, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Sorry. When we add these all things, we got 155 in the calculator. See, my our IP address range will be 0 to 255. We got 255. Okay. Now I will convert my IP address. Can we say? We will convert 192. What will be added? 128 plus 64. That will be 192. Okay. We are then these bits will be 0. This 32 bit, 16 bit, 8 bit, 4 bit, 2 bit, 1 bit. This are all bits are 0. 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. We got 192 for first octet. Then coming to second bit 136. What we will add? 128 plus 128 plus we can add 128 plus 8. Okay, that will be a 136. Okay, remaining bits are 0. 128 0 0 0, then 8 bit will be 1. Okay, 1 and 3 zeros. Then coming to 23, what will we put in 23? 16 4 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 2 22 22 plus 1 23. Remaining all bits are 0. 1 not 1 0 0 0. 16 bit will be 1 and 8 bit will be 0. 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 2 22 22 plus 1 23. I got 23 for and 136. What will be there? 128 plus 8. What will the 128 plus 8? 136. And remaining bits are 0. Like only for this one only. We can write it down. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. This is the conversion of IP address. It will be easy for, and bit is the smallest data in the computer. It is either 0 or 1. If 1 means it will give the true value. If 0 means it will give the false value. Now it will the conversion of, we can reconvert also this one. How it will there? Check it. It will be 8 octet. Okay. There will be a IP addresses. We can add in the reverse. Now I will take the another IP address. 10.1.1.1. Now you can convert this one. What will be a 10? 10 is nothing but 8 plus 2. That will be a 10. And remaining all bits are 0. Each octet has 8 bits. We have, when we count this, this will be a 8 bit. And dot again 8 bits. Dot 8 bits. Dot 8 bits. Okay. Now you can convert this one. 10 will be 8 and 2 will be the ones and remaining all 0. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, this will be a 10 and dot will be a 1. We got only 1 in the first place and remaining all will be zeros. Okay, remaining all 7 bits are zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1. This will be a 1 and the same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 and last one. This will be a conversion of IP addresses. And today's class is over. Now tomorrow class will be a DHCP, that is a dynamic host configuration protocol, which is given by the IP address to the devices through DHCP pool. Okay. Now tomorrow onwards we will discuss in the lab and we will do the DHCP lab and we will check the how IP address will be taken to the server, to the devices. That's it for today's class.